We are already done with the CPM or the CPA, critical path analysis or the critical path method. Next is we are going to start discussing the project evaluation and review technique. So ang construction niya po na with the network is similar with the CPM. Actually, ang gagamit mo sila sing network diagram si CPM o si PERT. Ang kalainan lang yun nila is katong ginatawag na to the time estimates. No, we have the time estimate. Okay, si PM gagamit lang tag usa ka time while si PERT is we are using three ka times and then we apply probabilities to calculate the actual time for this specific project. So aron mas masabtan nato, let's start the discussion. So si CPM is if ang time estimates are assumed to be known with certainty. Pero na may mga projects nga dili ka sure sa time. Muna siya nga PERT ang gamiton, which is a probabilistic method using three time estimates for an activity rather than a single estimate pareha ka ang CPM. So natay tulo ka time diri. Natay ginatawag nga optimistic time, most likely time, and pessimistic time. Unsa man ning optimistic time? Shortest time taken to complete the activity. Unsa man ang pasabot? If walay problema sa usa ka project, mahuman siya ingani ka number of days. Mo na siya ang optimistic, no? If anything goes well, then dali ra mo man ang project and then mo yung number of days. Most likely time, so maning most likely time, sir? Kasagaran ingani gyud ang number of days, no, mahuman ang usa ka project or activity. That is the most likely time. Normal time kibali. And pessimistic time, this is the longest time you can finish an activity to complete a project. So may example na. For example, ang lugar no pag eskwela, optimistic time buta na to bright ka and then etc. So ni other nga ko ano nga other I think schools nga na minimum ko ang number of years si Chad for specific schools. At least 2 years, I think. No? Pwede na ka makahuman ng college. Depende mo na sa school po na silang semester, silang etc. Now, that is the optimistic time. Now, the most likely time to finish your college is 4 years, di ba? Now, what if, we call that the normal time or the most likely time to finish college, 4 years. And then the pessimistic time is, what if nabagsak ka, ano nga subject no, nag-retake ka, and etc. Ano mga other activities, nakaundag eskwela, and other factors yun nga makadelay. So, for STP to kuan, aron dili ka ma-residency, I think 7 years, or 6 years or 7 years, yan na. Before ka makalapas ka sa katong residency. So that is the pessimistic time, the 7 years or the 6 years. So, tanan project, mo po ning assumption ni PERT, tanan project na optimistic time, most likely time, and the pessimistic time. Optimistic, if for a problema, morning number of days mahuman, dali ra. Most likely time, kasagaran number of days yun to finish a specific activity. And pessimistic is, if na jud nagka-problema jud, mo siya number of days nga imuhang kuan gyud, mahuman siya, ay siya mahuman. So we have this the possible activity durations for kaning kuan 3 times. We have the three estimates, we have the optimistic time of the project, the most likely time, and then the pessimistic time. So kaning by the application of probability, si PERT din niya din ang makalculate no. Pila ang actual number of days nga imong i-apply for that specific project. Mao lang na si PERT. So natin mga formulas nga kuan gina-observe. So first is kaning average or mean value. Symbol niya is PA. So mo nga ditag average, unsa man ang average? Average ba? That is the summation, diba, of items over the total number of items. That is the average. The variance, that is the square of the standard deviation. The square is raised into the second part. The square lagi, square ni mo si standard deviation. So that's why we have the sigma squared dili. Sigma, that is the standard deviation, and then square ni mo. So saan mo pagkuha si average time for the PERT. So we have the optimistic time plus 4 times the most likely time plus the pessimistic time all over 6. So yun ka, divided by the number of items, tulo naman na optimistic, most likely, o pessimistic, tulo naman yung ano na 6 man na. So mura siya na 6 because si most likely time magud mura gikaupat magud na siya nimo mo ng 4 TM plus usa ka pessimistic time plus usa ka optimistic time overall 6 to get the average. And then the variance is just kani the pessimistic minus the optimistic all over 6 and then square. Now, the probability of completing the project within the scheduled time or contracted time may be obtained by using the standard normal deviation where the expected time kaning si TE of the project completion. And probability of completing the project within the scheduled time is kani siya, given from this. And then magbase na rin ka sa normal table for this value. So let's have our first example, R&D project. We're asked to draw the project network, find the critical path, and find the probability that the project is completed in 19 days. If the probability is less than 20%, find the probability of completing it in 24 days. So first is draw the network and then find the critical path. But um, dili pa tato mabuhat ang critical path because wala pa man tay actual days. Kani si TA mo man actual days nga ibutang nimo sa project. So dili sa pata makita og critical path if wala pa tay actual days kaya ato pa siyang i-calculate. So kani actual days, di ba si TA mo na siya katong average no or the mean value. That will be our average or that will be our actual days nga gamiton for a specific activity. And then pag makuha na to ni and then as well the sa ni variance and then ta mag-draw sa network. So ano the actual kani si TA that is just mo lang siya formula. So for activity A, di ba, for activity A, we have the TO. The optimistic time is 4 plus 4 times 6 plus 8 all over 6. So that is equal to 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. So actual days for activity A nga i-consider nato is 6. So timing na lang gini siya diri nga sa most likely time 6 po siya, pareha po siya. But this is not always the case. Kaya magdepende man na siya sa optimistic time and as well the pessimistic time. So for activity A, they know imo man tikdan if may problema mo man siya in 4 days, pero kasagaran mo man siya in 6 days. But if magka-problema no ang activity A, mo man siya into 8 days. Mo pala siya. And then the variance is just the pessimistic, so 8, minus the optimistic, 4. So 8 minus 4, that is 4 divided by 6, and then squared, we have a 0.444. So on and so forth, same steps, and we have these values. Dayon for the actual number of days and for the variance. Since we have already seen this data, we can create the network diagram. So the network diagram, diretso na lang nako no kay dili na mo may ko ang table diri. So diretso na ko ang draw sa network diagram. So this is the network diagram for that specific project. And then buhatan na to siya ko ano critical path by the way so medyo nagaminan nako. And the critical path by the way do you know but actually one way to determine the critical path is by looking at the total number of days sa usa ka kuan, sa usa ka network, sa usa ka path, kibali. So usa sa kuan pamagya na is if para dili na mo magkuan, you're not going to sa ni katong solve pa sa TE and TL is itanong ninyo ang path. So usi path sir sa flow of activities. So unsa man ang flow of activities nga natin we have the 1 to 2 to 4 to 6 and to 7. We have also 1 to 4 to 7. And we have Yeah, 1, 4, and no. Yes, 1. Yeah, that total sound. We have 1, 4, 6, 7. Let me write this down first. So these are the paths no nga present for this network. So again, no, kaning according na siya sa pagkasunod-sunod, the flow of activities as kung magtanaw mo sa arrows. Now, i-add lang nimo ang sorry, ang duration sa activities present along this path. So i-total nimo and then tanawa kung kinsa ang maximum. And now, upon inspection, imong makita nga naay duha ka paths nga naghatag sa tuog kuan maximum number of days. So the total project duration for this project is 22 days. And as you can see that this path 1467 and 1347 kay unsa man same of number of days 22 days and they are the maximum pasabot the critical path is 1467 and 1347. Sir, pwede din na sir? Yes. It is possible to have a two or more critical paths. So, usay mo kay depende mo na siya sa kwan gud sa number of days mo gud. Wala ka, ngani din siya pag tinga ka pag buhat mo diagram and then naadi ko more than one nga critical path. So since we have two critical paths here, so sa ato pa those activities under this path is dapat kuan. So ni dapat dili sila ma-delay. Now that is the point here for this specific na um activity. So there are two ways to calculate the critical path na atoy katong 'di ba nag-solve tag TE and TL and then pwede po ni siya. Tanawin mo tanan path and then kuhanin mo ang total no, the total duration along that path. So after this one, 'di ba gipangayon tag probability. So mo na ito nga mag-apply ta og katong z-test. Okay. Since we have two paths nga critical, kuha na to ni siya katong variance. Ang variance is katong sigma squared. So for 1467, yung variance ani is the summation or the total of the variance is 4.998. And then sa 1347, total variance niya is 3.665. Now, saan mo ito pag-apply sa z-test? Di ba, if you remember, di ba, we have the z is equal to the specified time minus, di ba, katong we have the expected time or katong the total time duration nato, di ba? And then all over the square root of the summation of the variance along the critical path. Wait, it's not CR but CP. Okay. So ingon man to niya, di ba? Specified time niya is in 19 days. If more than 20% ba daw? So we have 19 days minus 22 all over the square root of the summation. So for the kuan, 1467, we have 4.998. Then that is equal to negative 1.3419. And sa katong isa po, we have 19 minus 22 all over square root of 3.665. We have negative 1.5671. Now, sa may next ani buhaton? You need the calculator. No, you need to get the probability of this. No, so katong we have the probability of negative 1.3419. Actually, itong makuha diri is for 4.9, we have 8.98%. And for this one is we have negative 1.5671 at 5.85%. Sorry, pasabot na sir. Pasabot approximately 9% or 6% no from the critical path is that mauman na to siya in 19 days. sa ato paggamay kay probability nga kani siya is mahuman na to in 19 days. So mo to siya nga ingon mo siya nga nam siya condition nga what if sa 19 days less than 20% ang probability. So kung less than 20% ang probability daw kuno for 19 days nga mahuman siya sa schedule, how about if 24 days daw siya? Pila ang kuan probability mahuman ang project if ang scheduled date to finish is 24. So we are going to recalculate na sad no the z-score and as well as the kaning yang probability. Okay. So kung because of the adjustment no sa schedule time from 19 days to 24 days, atong nakita nga dako kayo probability nga mahuman si project in 24 days compared sa 19 days. So ingani nila ni siya pod no sa ato ang kuan with the PERT. So sa PERT, we have three time estimates and then after that the calculation of the expected time no katong TA or TA. And then the TA is the sa kada activities and then the TE is the total time duration. After the calculation with that is we can have the CPM, we can apply the CPM afterwards. Then ano din siya? Dili lang is na lang tayo naduga nga if 19 days daw ang total time duration, makaya ba daw ni project? Pila ang probability nga mahuman niya? So by 19 days, less than 20% yung probability, pero gamay sa ato pa, there is a very small chance nga mahuman na to si project. No, by using the z-score, the z-test. And pag increase niya ito 24 days, dako na din kayo yung probability nga mahuman ang project within 24 days at 85% or let's say kung atong gamiton ng lower value, ang lower value is that at 81% mahuman na si project. Okay, so mo siya no daghan probability ng application for the PERT to the program review and evaluation technique.